Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed with a permanent memory sphere and power recall. Intro 2, preparing for the quest. Memory at lightning speed. Warming up content. Warm up 2. You're probably wondering, how will all this work? Or how can I get the most out of this? In this session, I'm going to talk about the 4 pillars that this quest is built on and what they mean to you. As a short reminder, in the previous session, I asked you to commit to show up and play full out. Today, we make the second important commitment for your journey to a permanent memory. Bite sizes from this session. This quest will be fast, fun, and fulfilling. Powerbrain has 4 parts: technique, toughness, theory, and tribe. T.E.A.M. T.E.A.M. Together, everyone achieves more. It's not that you have a memory, you do a memory. Practice makes progress. Practice makes permanent. Join the tribe. To join the tribe, please go to your Telegram account and find https://t.me/permanent memory sphere in one word, or find the link down below this video. Also, check out the transcript for your perusal. In the tribe, introduce yourself and share your ongoing breakthroughs, insights, and struggles with the tribe at any point during the quest. Be permanent. Hi, I'm achimllemke, your permanent memory sphere coach in this quest. You probably ask yourself, how does it all work? And how do I get the most out of all of this? Let me tell you a little bit about how this quest is set up and its structure so that you get the most out of this. Each day over the next 17 months, this is 1 year and 5 months, I'm going to deliver on YouTube a short 5 minutes video. 1 bite-sized technique daily. It's digestible, that you get to use right away. You get results right away. That is where you are going to focus on in this quest. This is going to be fast. That means everybody has 7, 10, 15 minutes to be able to join this session. There's no excuse not to be able to do it every single day because it's fast, because you're busy. This quest is going to be FAST, maximum 20 minutes every day. Number 2, it's going to be fun. This quest is going to be FAST, maximum 20 minutes every day. FUN. You'll be learning exciting new things. I promise you, we talked about learning is play, and the best learners, the children, love to be able to play. We're going to have fun with this. We're going to use our memory and imagination. We're going to be doing new imaginative things. Finally, it's going to be fulfilling, where there's going to be immediate rewards. This quest is going to be FAST, Maximum 20 minutes every day. Number 2 is going to be fun. This quest is going to be FAST. Maximum 20 minutes every day. FUN. You learn exciting new things. Fulfilling. You'll see immediate rewards. You'll be able to remember names right away. You'll be able to remember those lists. Remember where you've put things. Give that speech confidently without any notes, without using any notes. It will be achievable, fast, fun, fulfilling. And I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Thank you for watching and listening. If you like the video, please feel free to share it with others as you see fit. Now join my library. There are more than 210 videos for you to watch and learn from. I see you in the course. Next, click on Video35U. It's for you. Watch now and learn more. See you there. Bye for now.